Hi, my name is Doug Lindberg, and I'm the president of Real Green Building Systems. I've been involved in the plumbing, mechanical, building trades world for over 30 years. I've been a salesman, a designer of systems, and a consultant. My goal has always been to find and utilize products, systems, and services which would continually make people's homes better, safer, and more efficient. I have a patented part called a 4-port fitting, and I have a patent pending on the plumbing-based fire protection system that's utilizing this part. My system means that the cold water plumbing installed in every home is now capable of being the fire protection system. By including the fire suppression system as a component of the plumbing system, I've been able to accomplish a number of extremely important things. First and foremost has been life safety. Because this system doesn't need any annual testing to prove that it's always working, when Mama takes a shower and water comes out of the shower head, everything is working. And everyone knows everything's working. Second, this is a major water conservation component. Because we are reclaiming the water after it flows through the sprinkler heads, into the shower, and down the drain to a reclaimed water tank, the shower water is then cleaned and it's used to flush the toilets. It's used to water the trees, the grass, and irrigate the garden. And all of a sudden, we're saving over 50% of our water. This turns out to equate to about $1,000 to $1,500 a year. Third, the affordability. Because this system is a fraction of the cost of traditional fire protection systems, Durango, Colorado alone, we had over 400 residential townhomes. And they've all had it installed for about $1.50 a square foot. Last but not least are the homeowner insurance rates reductions. In some cases, we've had as much as 50% reduction in homeowners insurance. In Durango, this reduction alone would have meant an investment payback of 1 year. In 2012, there were 650,000 housing starts. If 2013 has the same number of housing starts and each one has a plumbing-based fire suppression system, we're looking at approximately $2,000 per house or a market potential of $1.3 billion. In 2009, the International Code Council adopted a mandatory residential fire sprinkler regulation. 31 states have adopted this code already. On the face of it, this seems like a really good idea, just like smoke detectors, except that the traditional fire protection systems had a lot of drawbacks when used in homes or residences, not the least of which was the initial cost, $5 to $6 a square foot or $10,000 to $15,000 a house. And then the annual inspection fees of those types of systems are $500 a year and up. In 2012, Colorado adopted the ICC codes, which included mandatory installation of residential fire sprinklers. So there you have it. Real Green Building Systems, me, Doug Lindberg. I supply the consulting needed. I train the installers on the proper way to install these systems. More importantly, I supply the patented plans, design, and the patented 4-port fitting system for the plumbing-based fire suppression system. This system gives you life safety, number one. It gives you efficiency of water conservation, number two. And number three, it has become extremely affordable. Thank you for this opportunity to share this with you. And I encourage you to visit my websites, www.rgbsonline.com and www.firesafehomes.net. Thank you again.